My name is Monica Taylor. For probably 25 years, for sure, I've been traveling and playing music in one group, duo, or band or the other. I've sung a lot of harmony down through the years. Southern gospel, I learned a lot there. And then in bluegrass, and then with the Western swing band that I have called the Cherokee Maidens. Growing up, I heard a lot of great country music, AM radio, usually from sitting in the camper shell of the pickup going to a rodeo. I think that was a good way to grow up. Grew up in church, so I grew up singing Southern gospel. We would go to bluegrass festivals. So I got a guitar when I was 4th grade and just been playing and accompanying myself ever since. When I went to OSU, I had a bluegrass band there, and all of them were friends of the Red Dirt music family. So when I was 19, I met the Red Dirt Rangers, before they were the Red Dirt Rangers, and Bob Childers and Jimmy LaFave, and I knew right then that one night I remember hearing everybody picking and grinning with each other under the stars out at the farm, and I knew I'd found my people. And they've been my family ever since. There's a table set to the window of the diner down in Burlington High School. Candles burning, it's burning down. Nothing but the wicked, it makes no sound in this country town. Well, we are sitting in a barn house in a pecan orchard that my family planted about 35 years ago. And I've lived in different places, but I'm glad I got to come home, be near my folks, in these pretty trees. Perkins, Oklahoma. Sure make a lot of nuts.
Well, we'll see. The squirrels like them.
The squirrels like them, don't they? Pecan?
We're not in the pecan business for profit, but...
We're in the pecan business for eating.
Oh, yeah, they eat them good.
Whether I can walk or not, I'm gonna back out my guitar when it's 12 o'clock. When I'm home, I have a lot of garden beds that I like to take care of. The dogs follow me around. Annabelle's the little black and white border collie. This is Merle. As you can tell, he can't get very comfortable. Music sure makes me happy. Writing songs, singing songs. I love to sing with other people, and I think music keeps you young. A lot of my songs are about family. I like to write about rivers, going someplace new. The Great Depression, written some songs about that. Young mother, what do you think of this? Your country is a-crying. The Great Depression's here. It's a lot of fun, but you gotta make a certain amount of money to pay your bills every month, and then you gotta make plans to get new stuff out. With the Cherokee Maidens, we put out 3 CDs in 5 years. And that's a lot of work, coming up with new material and then recording it. I mean, and sometimes you do all of that and you still have more people on the stage than you have in the audience, but you still do it. You sing for those few people because they came out to hear you. The same way you sing for 300 or 400 people or 1,000. You've got to roll with it, and you've got to figure out how you can take the things that are tender to you and make them happen. Everybody has something to share. Everybody has something to give. And if you don't, it'll get taken away from you. Young mother, say young mother, why your work is never done. Would you go back to Oklahoma